Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find m and n. Solution: m square minus n square equal to 65. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here m plus n times m minus n equal to 65. Here m plus n is greater than m minus n. So this 65 is factorized as 65 times 1, 1 times 65, also this 13 times 5, 5 times 13. Here this 65 is greater than 1, here 1 is less than 65, so here 13 is greater than 5, here 5 is less than 13. So these are rejected. So we are going to take this value and this value as a case 1 and case 2. Here applying now case 1 here, case 1, m plus n times m minus n equal to 65 times 1. So from this we have m plus n equal to 65. This is one equation. M minus n equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now we are going to add the equation 1 and 2. So we'll get here m plus n equal to 65, m minus n equal to 1. So this n cancels this. Here we have 2m equal to 66. 65 plus 1 is 66. Now here 2m equal to 66. Here divide by 2 on both sides. So 2 here, this 2 cancels this. We have m equal to 66 by 2. Do simplify here, we'll get here 33. So m equal to 33. Applying this m in the equation 1, equation 1 is m plus n equal to 65. So applying here 33 plus n equal to 65. So n equal to 65. Moving this 33 right hand side, minus 33. So n equal to, here we'll get 32. This is the n value. This is m value. Now m comma n equal to 33 comma 32. Now applying case 2 here, case 2, here there is m plus n times m minus n equal to, here 13 times 5. So m plus n equal to 13. This is the equation 1. m minus n equal to 5. This is equation 2. 2. Here we are going to add this equation 1 and 2. This cancels this, so 2m equal to, this is 18. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. 2 here, 2. Now this 2 cancels this. We have m equal to 18 by 2. Now do simplify here, we'll get here 9. M equal to 9. Applying this m in the equation 1, equation 1 is m plus n equal to 13. So 9 plus n equal to 13. So n equal to 13 minus 9. Here n value is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. This is the n value. So in the case 2, we got m comma n equal to 9 comma 4. This is the value. Now we are going to verify this. Verify in the equation that m square minus n square equal to 65. So here we are going to apply for case 1. Here m equal to 33, n equal to 32. So applying this here, so 33 square minus 32 square equal to 65. So here 33 square is 1089 minus, here 32 square is 1024 equal to 65. Here do minus of this, we will get 65 equal to 65. Here LHS equal to RHS. Now for case 2, here m value is 9, n value is 4. Equation is m square minus n square equal to 65. Applying this here, so we'll get 9 square minus 4 square equal to 65. 9 square minus 4 square equal to 65. Here this 9 square is 81 minus 4 square is 16 equal to 65. Here 81 minus 16 is 65. This equal to 65. So LHS equal to RHS. This is also verified. Thanks for watching this video.